Don Bosco School welcomes each one of you to the Rectors and Parents Day, and now we shall present before you some of the achievements of the scholars during the year 2016. Don Bosco School Siliguri envisions an institution which trains the boys to become useful citizens of their motherland, who are physically strong, morally upright, socially conscious, and mentally alert, who can write and converse fluently in English, and which forms in the boys habits of piety, virtue, discipline, and self efficiency, and prepares them to excel in the ICSE ISC board examinations. It envisions the Catholic boys to become dutiful sons of the Catholic Church and inculcates in them virtue and knowledge. School administration. The school is administered by Reverend Father Principal Father V.T. Jose, Reverend Father Rector Father V.P. Davis, Vice Principal Father Dilip Mondal, Bursar Father Jagjeevan, and Coordinator Sir Dominic Nicholas, supported by the teaching staff and the non-teaching staff. School ranking and awards. The school was felicitated on 23rd and 24th of September this year, as it was ranked number 7 Boys Day School in West Bengal and 23rd in India in 2016. According to the survey conducted by the Education World, based on 14 parameters including academic reputation, faculty competence, co-curricular education, infrastructure provision, and community service. On December 10, the school is to be felicitated by VAK Education Today Private Limited with India School Merit Awards 2016, as the school has been ranked number 6 in India, number 1 in West Bengal, and number 1 in Siliguri, India category boys school based on 10 parameters. Since its inception, Don Bosco School Siliguri has always had wonderful results with 100% pass in ICSE and ISC. This year too, keeping up with the performance, the ICSE and the ISC results were excellent, with a school average of 86% for ICSE and 88% for ISC Commerce and 91% for Science. Master Aman Chaudhary brought glory to the school by securing 96% marks in the ICSE, and Master Chaitanya Khemani and Master Chaman Garg of Commerce Stream made us proud by securing 97% marks each in the ISC exams. Out of a total of 139 boys who appeared for ICSE, 42 of them secured 90% and above. 65 of them got between 80 to 89%. 29 boys got between 70 to 79%, and 3 boys got between 65 to 69%. Out of a total of 94 boys who appeared for the ISC examination, 48 of them secured 90% and above, and 34 of them secured between 80 to 89%. 10 boys got between 70 to 79%, and 2 boys between 60 to 69%. Inter-school events. Here at Don Bosco School, all-round development of a student is looked after, and the best of everything is tried to be catered to the children. Both curricular and co-curricular events at the inter-school level give a chance to the students to hone their skills. We have Bosco MUN, Bosco Talent Hunt, Inter-House Basketball Tournament, Inter-House Football Tournament, Inter-House Debate Competition, Extempore Speech Competition, Inter-House Quiz Competition, Biennial Sports Day, Biennial Concert, Annual Bosco Fete, Choral Recitation, Inter-House Cricket Tournament, Patriotic Song Competition, and Carol Singing Competition. Inter-school events organized by Don Bosco School. Bosco Chris, an inter-school Christian students meet in which students from 9 reputed schools participated in 4 events. Don Bosco School was judged second in overall performance. Inter-school debate competition. Don Bosco School was judged second in both senior and junior categories. A total of 10 teams participated in this event, and Master Archit Goyal was judged the best speaker for the senior category and Master Abhay Shah for the junior category. Inter-School MUN. The first ever MUN conducted by a school in Siliguri, 100 students, assuming the role of delegates, participated in fruitful debates and discussions. 3 UN committees were stimulated, namely Security Council, CCPCJ and Human Rights Council. Bosco Fest, an inter-school cultural event which not only yields a chance to the youngsters for exhibiting their profuse talents but also to hone their skills, comprising 41 events. Don Bosco School secured first position in 18 events and second in 7 events and third in 6 events. Inter-School Quiz Competition. Don Bosco School Siliguri stood second out of the 8 finalists on stage. DB Friendship Cup. 8 teams participated in this tournament and our school was judged runners-up. Bosco Emprenditore. An event of kind, Bosco Emprenditore is a business meet held to expose the students to the business world. A total of 11 events were held and Don Bosco School secured the overall first trophy. DB Cup Cricket Tournament. This time, we here at Don Bosco School are going to organize the first ever pink ball cricket tournament in West Bengal, scheduled to be held on 12th December. Exhibitions. Annual science exhibitions and craft exhibitions give an opportunity to the students to develop their scientific temper. Wall magazines and class assemblies. Each class conducts an assembly on a day based on a particular theme innovatively. Classes, houses and clubs put up wall magazine to mark the various occasions. Celebrations. Our school celebrates events like Independence Day, Republic Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day and Christmas. This year, the school organized a drawing, essay writing and slogan writing competition based on the theme Azadi 70. The students of all classes participate in a patriotic and carol singing competition. Picnic. Each class celebrates its uniqueness and gets together as a group to have fun and know more about each other through class picnics. Study tours. The students went for an educational tour this year to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Earlier in the year, the school had organized a trek to Sandakpur. Achievements. The students of Don Bosco School not only shine in inter-class and inter-house events, but also in events organized by other schools. Shreyas Bajla of class 9B won the bronze medal in the under 13 category in karate held at Japan. Our quizzing team stood first in LIC quiz, ASISC zonal level quiz competition, Sikkim Quizzing U and Langwiz by Sir Barry O'Brien. We also stood second in Inspiria Q quiz competition. In the Youth Parliament organized by IILS Siliguri, Master Shubham Agarwal was judged the best parliamentarian. Students of our school have participated in Model United Nations conferences at national and international levels such as IYMUN Jaipur, DBL MUN, BDMI MUN and Ivy League Model United Nations India. Riddhi Sen Majumdar of class 11 Commerce will participate in the world's largest MUN conference to be held at the UN headquarters in New York in March 2017. Don Bosco School participated in Compumathix 2016 organized by Salesian College and won the first prize in Code Chef, second in Poster Craft, third in Tech Impress and second overall. Our students won both doubles and singles in all the 3 categories in the inter-school badminton tournament organized by St. Joseph School, Bhaktinagar. In the badminton tournament organized by ASICS for classes 10 and below, we were state champions and 4th at the national level. Our school stood first in the zonal level debate competition for both seniors and juniors and first in declamation organized by ASISC. In the Birla Divya Jyoti debate competition, we were first overall. Master Adhiraj Gupta was declared the best speaker. Special awards. All-round efforts are recognized through special awards on the prize distribution day. Master Jatin Agarwal was awarded with the Gauranga Memorial Award for the best student, and Master Archit Goyal was awarded with the PC Mittal Best Effort for the year 2015-16. Let's now take a sneak peek into the school.